everybody. So we're back again. I had an eventful weekend with my daughter. I had to do like an unexpected um, 2-night stay at the hospital with her. And of course, I have two younger boys as well, so they stayed at the hospital with us as well. But before I left, I was getting some orders together. And while I was there, I received another order from Walmart. And I told y'all I'm still thinking about the Walmart thing. But of course, my listings are still on Walmart.com. And I received an order yesterday. I think it was yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and fulfill that so I can have that out as well. But it's a good time for me to try out the tablet because I swapped. As y'all remember, I had this one and my laptop that is right here. I was using these, but I'm going to try to connect this so that I can start using this one and use the black one for my personal use. Sorry, baby girl's waking up, and I just fed her. But I'm guessing she's noticing it's kind of quiet in there. So let's see if I can. Probably doesn't want to. Okay. See if I can print my my shipping labels. If I can connect it to do the shipping labels from here, versus having to go into my office, which I have my office computer on as well, just in case I'm not able to print my shipping labels from here, because that's why I'm printing all my shipping labels from. But this is a good time to go ahead and try it out now, since it's only one order and I can got a little grace period because it's the weekend. So let me check on baby girl. I'll be right back, okay? Y'all, we already had this conversation before. Okay, so first I'm gonna try to do the packing slip and see if that prints, and if that does it, then we can go ahead and try doing the okay. I forgot I got the mic, so I can't move her from one arm to the other. I'm gonna try to hold her down here so that I can have this arm because I'm right-handed. Let's see, print packing slip. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, I think we can. Always. Oh, I shouldn't have did always, just in case I wanted to. Okay, I bought it for this anyway. So, it's okay. So let's see if it prints. It came up 4x6. And I'm going to see if I can cover the label when it prints. And you know, mine been prints black and white, so there is no color. And it looks like it's printing. Yes, we got it, guys. So now we can print the label, and I'm going to go ahead and so I'm going to print one more packing slip. One is for always my record, and then the other one is to go inside the package. And it's so cute because when I hit Mamba print, it pops up each size. So it's like, so I'll be able to choose what size I want to do. I believe this right here said that the order was okay. Now see, this is the part where I don't know. Okay, so I guess I'm learning this Mamba printer and its print system. So they wanted 414, and which is 4, all 4s are gloss. Oh, let's get her back up. And 414. Oh, yeah, my body hurts. Oh, I feel old. I think this is 414 right here. Yep. 414. I'm about to print out create a shipping label for her. Now, mind you, with Walmart.com, you can print labels and buy labels from their site, but I have PayPal where my money from Walmart is deposited, So I actually get ShipStation for free on PayPal, and I like their rates better than Walmart rates, even though it's not bad, but I like PayPal rates better. So I got you guys on this table, which I'm actually going to package on as well, and it's only, you know, the little not poly mailer, the padded mailer, and I have her um packing slip per product, and I have to get. I just turned the everything is accessible, you guys. My weight, my scale, which I kind of already know what it's going to weigh because I've shipped out multiple items with just one or two, and I always just put it at the same thing. They're always under 3 when it's less than, well, when it's 3 or less. Nail sets is normally under 3 ounces. No, one is normally under 3 ounces. If I put 2 without like a freebie, it's like almost 3.5. So the majority of my stuff is under 4 to 5 ounces. So okay, if that's enough talking, let me go and begin putting in her address. Now, Mumbin, I hope this is just how it prints on your paper that it came with, not paper that I purchased. Because these are the actual little slips that came with the Momprenuer. So how this printed, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't like it because it's kind of sketchy. I'm going to show you how it printed out. Can y'all see that? I don't even know if y'all guys can see that, but it printed out sketchy. So I hope it don't print like this all the time because I'm used to a printer printing good, and that's my one in the office, and I don't have all this sketch stuff. So hopefully I can read this and put in the right information. Nosy much? So let's put in her name. Y'all nosy. But I'm here for because I'm nosy too, y'all. Put in her name. I don't like how this has printed. And I'm just thinking about that. But we're going to see. Hopefully it's just this paper that came with it that makes it print like that. And I'm going to have to double check this address to make sure, because it is sketchy. But how have you guys' day gone, your weekend? Mine has been, I already told you about it. We ain't going through that again. Because I'll be up here repeating myself. And when you guys order, especially off my site, if you want to put like a note in there, I believe Shopify has a way you can put a note. You can say, like, you want me to call your name on the next packing video, and I'll do that when I'm packing if you have an order on that day that I'm packing. But I'm trying to record all of my packing videos, even if it's just one. Okay, it looks like the address is right. Yeah, it was right because it went straight through with no error. Gotta put in your height of the package, and I'm quite sure this package is about to be. Where are my stuff, guys? Had pins. I don't know where it went at. So now I have to restock the pins that were over there. But basically, I'm just going to take everything, put it in her package. Because now I have to get the weight. I already know the height, length, and width of these, all of them by heart, because I've been packing with them for so long. even the height and width of my boxes. And I put these in padded ones. Right here one is just one to keep it from, because you know they like throwing those small packages. They'll throw them real fast, even though they do throw a lot of packages. But smaller ones, they throw them. I've seen it happen. So before I, close it up, turn it on, weigh it. Come on. Telling me 0, which is incorrect. Come on. Okay. 1.8. So I was right. So a lot of times when it's 2, it's always under 3 ounces. So the post office is going to charge me for 2 ounces. So I just go ahead and put 2 ounces regardless. 2 ounces, ounces and pounds. Next, and pounds. And I want delivery confirmation. I don't do signature, but I do have the post office notify me once it's delivered. So now we're going to calculate. And Walmart does have a date when you have to have your items shipped by. So I make sure I got everything in here. 414, packing slip. My trash can is over there, which is that's gonna change, but y'all, my body hurts. And we're gonna do 3-day shipping because that's the fastest they have. And we're doing, of course, USPS because they come pick up all my orders or I take it to them. It's not, the post office is not too far from me. And I'll have to have a pen because I normally write how much my shipping was, what the weight was of the package, and the date it says it's going to be delivered. I normally write it on the extra packing slip, and I put it in my records cabinet so I can log when I'm logging inventory. I actually put all the information in. Okay, so let me go ahead and print this label, and I have to save the I'm sorry, y'all. I hope that didn't hurt your ears, guys. Was that nosy much? Yes. And if it didn't have the information on it, I would have showed you guys. Okay. Oh, there you go. Right. So let's try not to show the address of her or the tracking number of that. So we got it. All right, get out of that. Boom. Y'all, I don't even know how to exit from the Momprenuer because the whole app pops up when you say you want to print from Momprenuer. The whole app will pop up, and you just basically, it goes to the screen where it says preview print, and you print it. And now I just hit the bottom button and clear all after I do it. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there. Now I'm going to get my UPS bucket, which you kind of see some right here, and put that in there. Now I have to get the shipping label and transport it over from here. So what I normally do is I copy the text. I don't want to cut. Okay, let's see. Which has been a pretty easy setup. I just want to, okay. Let me see if I can copy link text. When I copy it, I go back onto Walmart's site. Let's see if I can let y'all see. And it asks you whether you want to ship with Walmart, or you can click the other button and say I bought one, and you just click that one. And I'm saying I'm shipping one item. And there, y'all, yeah, it says I already have a shipping label. And then it asks you who's the carrier, and also my carrier is USPS. And then all I'm going to do is now copy that tracking number into it. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, there it goes. Got it. Okay, and then, dang it. Let me see if I can pull. Uh-oh. Yeah, I was about to show y'all the where it says mark as shipped on it, but I have her tracking number in there, and I want to verify her tracking number, the last 4 digits. Yep, that's hers. And just hit mark as shipped. And in the site on Walmart's website, it will show that okay, you don't have no more orders in queue that needs to be shipped. Everything will be showing shipped, and then it'll be showing telling the customer like shipping link has been created, and then that's when they start getting notifications and everything. So after this, I normally go ahead on USPS and book for my post office worker to come pick up at my door. But I have I'm going to be running a sale. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this weekend, so I might just go ahead and run it. But I don't know. I have something to do on Monday, and that's when she will be coming. So I don't know if I want to take it to the post office or have her pick it up. I might have her pick it up and just leave it outside, maybe. Just leave it in the crate outside, and she'll normally just pick it up. So that's what I'm going to do, because I'll still be here. Hopefully she comes before I have to leave. If she don't, then I'm gonna have to drop it off. If she don't, so I'm not gonna think too much. That's something I'm working on, not thinking too deep into things, just getting it done. So, let me see if I can. Okay, it shows her tracking number and her order number, so I kind of don't want to show that. So I was going to show you guys where it changes the status on Walmart.com. Let me see if I can go back to the dashboard if it shows. Okay, so yeah, it still shows. It still shows her. Yeah, it shows her order number, and so because it's personal stuff, I can't turn it back around. I was gonna see if I can, but it's okay. So yeah, Walmart is a little bit different. I'm waiting to see how Shopify does. I put it live, but at the same time, you can't order from the site just yet. So let me get out of here. Yeah, I'm just learning how to work. We just learned how to work the tablet with Walmart.com and PayPal just now. That's the first time I've used this new tablet. I haven't even used the other tablet I had that I was originally going to use for business, and I switched it to this. I had not even used it. That is going dead. Listen, guys, let me get out of here, charge my camera. I will see you guys in my next video, because I know it's been all over the place, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.